definitely a good 15, nearly 20 there today, so it'll be nice and easy. Always leave the safety chain on, don't take it off till the boat's in the water. So if you leave your safety chain on until you get it down to the water, there's no way the little pin, if it breaks, it can free spool the trailer off. So if you just unhitch, you can hear that we've got a fair bit of wind coming this way today, so it's best that we get ready for the boat to go that way. I always like to leave the winch strap on for two reasons. You got control, the boat can't go to Fiji on you, and certainly when you come back, the winch strap's already down the back of the trailer ready for you to wind on. So let's just roll it off. You'll see it's a nice easy trailer to roll back. Here we go. Look at that, one person. And look how it self-centers itself there in the V section. That's out there, that's ready when we come back. So all we do now is ready to go, park the car, strap's already down, ready for when we come back. I'll just swap the other side. The biggest trap when people try to put a boat back on the trailer is they'd come this side, try to pull it up into the wind. I always go the other side and let the wind bring the boat round and help me, especially when I'm on myself. The strap's already down, all I do is hook the boat onto the strap, pull tension on the strap, walk up, wind the winch on until I've got enough strap. It'll self-center itself with that Quintrex open back series trailer. Windward side of the boat ramp, much easier, especially one person. I'll show you how to put it on. It's definitely a good 15, nearly 20 there today, so it'll be nice and easy for me to do it here by myself. It's all about the approach to get a perfect landing, as they go. So I'd always bring it round, give myself plenty of time. Motor's already up. I like to hold it straight, so when it comes off the trailer it is already straight. If I bring it back up with the stern up into the wind, I've got more reaction time before it comes round. I like to leave the trailer out nice and shallow. When it comes round I can pull it up into that self-centering setup, and I've got the whole boat on the strap. It's not even heavy. All I do is just bring the strap, take the slack up on the lock it in gear, and have a look at the boat coming round. We've just got a bit of pressure on that winch strap, but because I've left the trailer nice and high, have a look at the back skid, just supports that trailer down. There's the perfect world in that self-centering Quintrex setup. Just winds on. Look at this, one hand. Anyone can do it. It's all about how you approach it. That'll wind on first time every time. And you won't have to go to the gym. Save gym fees. Just wind the trailer on. Nice and tight. You always get stretch in that strap. Critical thing, put the safety chain on. Motor's already up, so we're good to go. Pull out, tie everything down, head home. Happy days.